guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today and are ready for another cleaning motivation video. Today I'm gonna do a 30-minute power cleaning. I just dropped off my kids in school. It's the morning. I'm about to work. I work from home and I want to clean a little bit first because, as you can see, my kitchen is a little dirty. My living room needs a little cleaning, my patio as well. So let's see how much I get done in this 30 minutes. I'm actually gonna put my timer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A quick 30-minute power cleaning so you can start your day off right. Now let's get started.
You drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. I was feeling down till you came around, lost under the clouds, only gray skies. I know they always say this night.
Hi guys, let's go to the patio because last night we had such a big storm, lightning, rainstorm. I mean, it was crazy. So I had to move my egg chairs and my seating around, that way they don't get wet. So I'm just putting everything back and undusting everything, just cleaning the patio a little bit. Yeah guys, so that was crazy. So now I'm putting everything back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get motivated to do a 30-minute power cleaning, even though I have to confess this was not 30 minutes, because once the 30 minutes ended, I had to finish cleaning. So I still had to mop. So I just took like an extra 10 minutes to mop, and that was it. You see, time's up and I'm still not done. So I'm just finishing up, putting away the plants, finishing up the patio, and then I'm going to mop the kitchen and the living room. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel and keep liking this video.
Where did you come from? I never planned to fall in love, but then again, no dice. Can I call you tonight? I'm dying to see your smile. I just wanna say I got you red-handed, and now you're holding on my heart. It's not a problem if it's ours and ours alone. I got you red-handed. I'm just wishing to the stars that we can keep this on forever and ever. Damn girl, we need to talk. Don't think you'll know just how involved I am. It's critical to me that we stand eye to eye, you see. Can I call you tonight? I'm dying to see your
Hey guys,
smile.
so we are done with cleaning, and now before I get to work, I always like to have my iced coffee, and I'm gonna show you my favorite go-to iced coffee from home, and I'm gonna show you what I use so you guys can make it as well. Give me 1 second. All right, so it's just 2 things only. I love buying the Starbucks iced coffee from home. This is subtly sweet. It's not that sweet. I also buy the dark roast, that's not sweet, and this is the creamer that I've been using because, you know, it's almost fall. So this is the Silk Almond Creamer Pumpkin Spice. So good, and this video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys my favorite iced coffee. And I also use this big mason jars for my iced coffee.
I got you red-handed, and now you're holding on my heart. It's not a problem if it's ours and ours alone. I got you red-handed.
Okay guys, so this is my iced coffee. Let me taste it. So good. Now I'm ready to start coaching my clients. I am a life coach, if you guys didn't know. If you're interested in working with me, one-on-one coaching, you can check the link in the description box where I share with you my coaching programs for moms. Now I am ready to work. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for watching.